one of the difficulties that we have is managing allergies within a practice. And so many times, one of the problems is that we don't take time to review the medical history prior to the patient sitting down. So one thing that I would like to recommend is that we know the allergy of every single patient when they come through the door. For instance, there are two allergies that are a major concern when patients walk through the door. One would be latex allergies, and the other would be certain anesthetics and the use of epinephrine. So two things that I would like to suggest for you is to have multiple colored bibs within your practice that you can utilize. So if a patient has an allergy, you have a highlight bib that immediately goes on that patient so that everybody within the practice, whether the hygienist and the dentist is seeing the patient or whether just the dentist is seeing the patient, everybody within the practice has the ability to know what's going on. The other suggestion that I would have for you is to have Sharpies within the office and in the operatory that they can immediately write on the bib if they have an epinephrine allergy or you need to use a non-epinephrine anesthetic. So those are really key things, whether you'd use color coding or whether you do something like, for instance, latex allergies. If you have multiple kinds of gloves within the office and the patient has a latex allergy, before that patient goes and sits in the chair, cover the boxes of the latex gloves so that a practitioner doesn't come in and accidentally put on the latex gloves and start working. So those are two key components that you can do to stop allergy transactions within the office and having a major accident within your office and having to dial 911 because you have introduced either epinephrine for a non-epinephrine patient or you have created a latex allergy to that patient. So utilizing those two effects, either changing the color of the bib or covering the latex boxes before the patient sits down, are critical to the health of your patient and will create great success.